Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. Gonna get this Varney F3 up and running. Preliminary testing. Let's see what you got. We got a light. We got some life. Oh yeah. This is going to be pretty quick. I was focused more on fixing it than filming it, so here I've taken it apart, the trucks at least. Taken it apart some more. Some of the wires, the old solder popped off, so I got to resolder them back on. That's no problem. A little bit of a pain in the butt, but no problem. These wheels took a alcohol dunk. Cleaned them up nice. Here's my soldering station. Again, I didn't film any of it because I was too busy fixing it. But in the end, we get this. Still a bit loud, maybe a little bit more work has to be done, but runs pretty smooth, a lot better than it did. So, add it to the fleet. That's all for me for now. See ya!